As homeowners, we are always looking for ways to reduce energy costs and make our living spaces more comfortable. One of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is by replacing old, inefficient windows. If you live in Bartow, this simple upgrade can have significant long-term benefits, both for your wallet and your overall home environment. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement can enhance your home's energy efficiency, offering both comfort and savings. Reducing heat loss and gain. Windows play a major role in regulating the temperature inside your home. Old windows, particularly those with single-pane glass or worn-out seals, are a significant source of heat loss during the winter and heat gain during the summer. When warm air escapes through cracks or thin glass, your heating system works harder to keep your home comfortable, increasing energy consumption and utility bills. By replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient options, you can significantly reduce heat loss during cold months and prevent excess heat from entering during the summer. Modern windows often feature double or triple pane glass, with an insulating layer of gas, such as argon, between the panes. This helps to keep the temperature inside your home stable year-round, reducing the demand on your heating and cooling systems. Better insulation and reduced drafts. One of the most noticeable improvements after replacing your windows is the reduction of drafts. Air leaks around old, poorly sealed windows can create uncomfortable cold spots in your home, forcing your heating system to work overtime to compensate for the lost warmth. In the summer, you may find that your air conditioning system struggles to maintain a comfortable temperature due to the hot air entering through gaps and cracks. New windows, especially those with weather stripping and tight seals, provide better insulation, preventing drafts and maintaining a more consistent indoor climate. This not only makes your home more comfortable but also means you won't have to rely as heavily on heating and cooling, resulting in lower energy costs. Low-E glass technology. Low emissivity, low-E glass is a cutting-edge technology that can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency. Low-E windows are coated with a thin, invisible layer of metal oxide that reflects heat while still allowing light to pass through. In colder months, low-E windows reflect interior heat back into the room, which helps maintain warmth without increasing your energy consumption. In the summer, they reduce the amount of solar heat entering your home, keeping things cooler and reducing your need for air conditioning. This technology makes low-E glass windows a perfect solution for homeowners in Bartow, where temperatures can vary widely from season to season. Whether you're trying to conserve heat during chilly evenings or keep the sun from overheating your home, low-E windows offer a smart and effective solution. Energy Star rated windows. When replacing your windows, it's important to look for those that are Energy Star rated. These windows meet strict energy efficiency standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Energy Star rated windows can provide significant energy savings by reducing heat transfer and blocking ultraviolet, UV, rays that can damage your furniture and flooring. Choosing Energy Star windows ensures you're getting products that meet the latest efficiency standards and will deliver long-term benefits in terms of energy savings. With proper installation, these windows can make a substantial difference in your home's overall energy use. Long-term savings. While the initial investment in window replacement might seem significant, it's important to consider the long-term savings. Energy-efficient windows can lower your utility bills by reducing the need for heating and cooling, and many homeowners find that they start to see a return on their investment within just a few years. Additionally, newer windows tend to have a longer lifespan and require less maintenance than older models, which can further reduce costs over time. Increased home value. Not only do energy-efficient windows improve your comfort and reduce your energy bills, but they can also increase your home's resale value. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that feature updated, energy-efficient windows, as they understand the long-term savings they can provide. This makes window replacement an attractive option if you plan to sell your home in the future. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency, reduce utility costs, and enhance your overall comfort. In Bartow, where temperature extremes can put a strain on your HVAC system, energy-efficient windows are a smart investment. By reducing drafts, improving insulation, and incorporating advanced technologies like low-E glass and Energy Star ratings, you can make your home more energy efficient and sustainable. If you're considering window replacement, work with a trusted professional to ensure proper installation and choose the best windows for your home's needs. With the right windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable home, lower energy bills, and long-term savings.